What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hux World, and I told you we were going to bring the noise. We got more to come, so stay tuned. More is coming right up. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got three of the nicest, most creative, unique watch faces that you'll find in the Gear Manager store. Now, the developer that created this one is called Smart Watch Faces, and this developer always gets down on some unique watch faces that stands out amongst the crowd. Now, what I like about this one is that it has a very nice design, V-shaped design, and in the always on mode, it's pretty much going to look the same. But once we turn it on, in that V-shaped design at the top, you're going to get Fahrenheit and you're going to get Celsius, which I thought was very different for a watch face because normally you get either or. You also get your battery percentage over there. Down right up under it, you got a little animation going on there that makes the watch face stand out, right? And you get your battery info over here. You get your weather icon right there at the top. Mine is showing cloudiness. Now, you come down, you will get your date. And I like the fact that the time is white, which stands out amongst this design. Also, right up under the time, you're going to get the day of the week, and right now it's Thursday, so you have it highlighted down there. So I'm liking this look. I'm liking the overall design. I like what's going on in the background here as well. Now, it is interactive, so if I tap here, I can get my calendar, set an event. I can tap right here and I can go into my settings if I choose to. And let's go up here and I can go into my weather. So he gives you quite a bit of icons and shortcuts to tap into to get info at a single tap. So I'm liking it. I thought the developer did a very good job on this watch face, but again, it's all up to you. What are your thoughts on this watch face? Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. And with that being said, let's check out watch face number two. Number two, now this one is boss. I'm loving this one. First of all, I love the fact that I could dress up in this one, and definitely I'm going to be a boss. Now, you can dress down in this one, but I'm telling you, this one here will go with any attire. The name of the watch face is called Sapphire Gears Green. Now, even in the always on mode, it looks nice. It has that awesome design, but when it's on is when it really stands out. I'm liking the gears. I'm liking the design of this watch face that's going on in the background, and you get info on your calories burned right there. You get your goal completed so far as your steps. Right here, you're going to get info on your battery life. Now, what I like about this watch face that really adds some luxury to it is that the second hand, as well as the hour and the minute hand at the tip, it lights up. Does the same thing for the battery info. I'm thinking the developer went over and beyond with this watch face. And you got applications that you can tap into, like your music. You got your heart rate information you can go into. Also, you can set an alarm. You got S voice if you use S voice. I don't use S voice, but it's here if you use it. And this is what I like most of all, is that it gives you the best of both worlds, and you get it in 24 hours so far as your digital time is concerned. Now, check this out. Double tap, and you can change the theme of the watch face depending on how you're feeling for that day, or if you're going out, or if you're going to be super casual. You can change it up a little bit. You got a lot of designs to choose from so far as the theme is concerned. What about that one? Just double tap, keep it going. I like this one for a Friday night. And this one here could be for a Saturday night. So I'm thinking the developer really did his thing. I like this one for every day. I'm going to have to give him 5 thumbs up. And nobody has ever got 5 thumbs up, but this developer is going to get it for this one, right? Look at it. Look how many themes you got to change from, and we're still going. We are still going. So this is an awesome watch face. This one here you got to have in your lineup. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 3. Okay, you all. Last but not least, watch face number 3. This one here is called Progressive Cayenne. This developer don't know how to stop. Now, I love this animation that's going on in this watch face. I thought the developer in the door did a great job with it. Very different, very unique from any other design that I've saw thus far, so far as animation is concerned. And you got some stars going on in the background. But I like the way that blue overlays the watch face itself, and you're going to get a digital time. You're going to get your date. You're going to get calories burned. You're going to get your step info, battery life, everything that you could possibly need. And it looks just as good in the always on mode, but I'm more focused when the watch face is on. The developer really did his thing with this one, and it stands out. Very unique. And he always brings about unique watch faces. But let's go ahead, let's tap. We can change the color that's going on with this watch face, and he gives you tons of them. Tons of shades, different shades of blue. You got this multicolor. You got this black and white, and it looks good when the background looks like this, right? So if you want it to stand out, just change it. You got many to choose from. This one ties into the theme of this blue that's going on in the background. So I don't know, people, what do you think? I thought the developer did a very good job on this one, and I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up for it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. You got to give me some feedback on all 3 of these watch faces overall. I would love to know your thoughts. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed it. I got more to come, so make sure you stay tuned. Hit the notification bell again, because a lot of you all are not getting your notifications so far as the videos that I'm sending out. And with that being said, hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.